From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and happy Friday, everyone. It looks like we're starting off the weekend on the right note. A beauty out there today. Some clouds moving in. Our next weather maker, though, queuing up all the way still in the Pacific, but it'll be getting here in time to make for wet conditions on Sunday. So let's get to it and take a look at that water vapor imagery. We have the subtropical jet stream overhead, and when it's north of us, we're usually mild. When it's south of us, we're usually cold. When it's over us, it means that the next storm system will be heading our way, and this one tapping into the deep tropics also, bringing a lot of moisture. And once again, like the last several systems that we've seen coming out of the Pacific, they've been wetter than forecast and have produced more rain than the forecast. So we'll see how it plays out, but we'll show you our forecast numbers coming up in just a bit. Meanwhile, as we take a look at much of the U.S., winter still underway. Northern Rockies and the Great Lakes with this Alberta Clipper moving on through. Meanwhile, for us, in advance of that weather system, way back in the Pacific, we're starting to see a return flow as high pressure moves off to the east, and we're starting to see those stratiform clouds. They're thicker back across Texas, but they'll be moving into Louisiana as we head into the overnight hours into tomorrow. So tomorrow, mostly cloudy day. I think we see a few breaks in the clouds. This is how we start off tomorrow morning. Mostly cloudy, temperatures much milder in the 40s and 50s because of the cloud cover. Few breaks in the cloud cover during the afternoon. That gets us into the upper 60s to lower 70s with breezy southeasterly winds. We'll get to that in just a bit. Staying cloudy, showers developing, and some storms late Saturday night into Sunday. And it's going to be one of those on and off shower and thunderstorm type days. In fact, I think the graph model underestimating the coverage of showers and storms that we're going to see. And there's going to be some locally heavy downpours of several inches more than likely. Quiets down Sunday night into Monday, but stays unsettled going into next week. Also, the Storm Prediction Center does have much of southeast Texas and much of southern Louisiana hatched in for a low end, a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe storms, a marginal risk, maybe a few supercells that could develop, that could produce hail, maybe damaging winds. Can't rule out an isolated tornado. Not looking like this is going to be a severe weather event, and it won't be anywhere near what we saw Tuesday evening, that's for sure. And in addition to that, the Weather Prediction Center forecasting a slight risk of excessive rainfall, a level 2 out of 4. So we'll have to look out for that because our grounds are so saturated. Right now, the Weather Prediction Center's forecast is for 2 to 4 inches of rain across a good part of Acadiana. I'm going to say 1 to 3, but there's going to be isolated spots that catch a lot more than that. And give you an idea, the graph model, which did a pretty good job last weather system, at least the day before, we'll watch this through tomorrow, is going for 1 to 3 in general. Some spots catching less, most people catching closer to 2, and then there could be isolated hot spots, maybe northern Louisiana. This could be down toward I-10, but we're talking 3 to 5, so it's going to be a soaking for some. Localized tree flooding certainly will be a possibility come Sunday later in the day as the day wears on and the storms persist. Winds gusting out of the south-southeast in the 30-mile-per-hour range tomorrow afternoon, so you'll know something's up as those winds begin to pick up. Temperatures tonight holding in the 40s thanks to the clouds and winds coming around out of the east-southeast, and tomorrow upper 60s to lower 70s. We stay in the 60s tomorrow night, so we go from winter to spring inside of a 24-hour period, and then lower 70s again on Sunday with those showers and storms for sure. So not as cooled overnight tonight. Clouds gradually on the increase with those east-southeasterly breezes kicking in as well. We'll go 45 for the overnight low. Then for tomorrow, we'll see temperatures getting up into the upper 60s to lower 70s. We'll call it partly to mostly cloudy with a few intervals of sunshine, and you'll probably hear that wind picking up during the course of the afternoon. The wind will get a little wispy in the afternoon for sure. So as we check your forecast, rain chance still pegged at 100% on Sunday. Doesn't mean it's going to rain from sunrise to sunset, but it could. Doesn't mean necessarily when we go for 100% chance of rain it's going to be heavy, but it can. So we'll go 1 to 3 for right now. Look at that. Unsettled into next week, more rain chances through Thursday, then colder air on the way toward the end of next week, and hopefully into the weekend it stays dry for next weekend. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.